Color isn't just design, it's brand identity. In fact, some companies value color so highly that they've legally trademarked it. Think Tiffany Blue or UPS Brown. But when color shifts ever so slightly, brand trust shifts with it. How do brands keep their colors consistent across different printers, materials, and manufacturers? That's where Pantone comes in. You've probably heard of Pantone from their Color of the Year, but their real impact runs much deeper. At its core, Pantone controls color. On a computer screen, colors are defined using hex codes, 6-digit values that tell screens how much red, green, and blue to display. The problem? Hex codes are screen-based, not print-based. They rely on light, not ink. Once you move to physical materials, plastics, films, inks, coatings, those same colors can shift dramatically. Pantone solves this by creating standardized color references that manufacturers around the world can match, regardless of equipment or location. Instead of guessing how a color will print, Pantone provides a physical target everyone can align to. Their color books serve as the reference point manufacturers use to match color accurately and consistently. Pantone isn't alone in the color space. Systems like RAL, CMYK process standards, and industry-specific color libraries also exist, but Pantone remains the global benchmark for brand-critical color consistency. Color matching becomes especially important for printed user interface components, graphic overlays, membrane switches, labels, where color must remain consistent across textures, substrates, and production runs. At Butler Technologies, color matching isn't an afterthought. It's engineered into the process. We work directly with Pantone standards, material selection, and ink systems to ensure your brand colors look right, feel right, and stay consistent, no matter the application. Because when color matters this much, close enough isn't good enough.